Trump's going to be gone one day, whether it be a few weeks or a few years. And you're going to say to yourself, I miss him. I'm a little bored now. Politics seems a little more boring. And I can't believe I'm saying this. I'm watching these ACB hearings. No one seems into it. They're all bored. And I'm bored. Look, this 2 days in a row. We have somebody who's about to sit on the Supreme Court. 2 days in a row. Didn't even lead my show with it. It's just not that interesting. But look, the lady is hard to hit. I mean, she's very hard to hit. Who's more America than Amy Coney Barrett? She is a mom of like 90. I'm kidding. She's a mom of 7. Apparently a successful career woman, has rocketed up through the ranks, went to Notre Dame. That even makes her more relatable. Not that I could ever get into Notre Dame. I know you're going to find that very shocking, but Notre Dame is so much more relatable than I went to Harvard Law. I know they're both probably equal when it comes to schools, but people hear Notre Dame and they think, oh, nice, but my favorite running back went to Notre Dame. She's nice. She looks good. And I know, don't roll your eyes at that. Look, it's a television world, people. She looks good. Nice, pretty mother of 7, accomplished woman. She's hard to hit. And another part of it is, as I said at the beginning, we got an election coming and they just don't seem that into it. I mean, they're not sending their best. She sounds good, sharp as a whip. Here she is answering Dianne Feinstein.
So let me try again. Do you agree with Justice Scalia's view that Roe was wrongly decided?
Senator, I completely understand why you are asking the question, but again, I can't pre-commit or say, yes, I'm going in with some agenda, because I'm not. I don't have any agenda. I have no agenda to try to overrule Casey. I have an agenda to stick to the rule of law and decide cases as they come.
Well, first of all, that's a lie. That's with all due respect to ACB, and I want her to say exactly what she's saying. But I guess we should probably have a frank talk here, as long as we're being honest. I understand why they all have to say this, but we all know there are leftist judges and there are judges on the right. Everybody knows who they are. Everybody can list their names, and I actually find it kind of amusing. I find it looks to be like a childlike game that we all have to pretend of. I just want somebody to interpret the rule of law. Oh, shut up. No, you don't. You want somebody who's going to smash the other side, shoot down everything they want, and pass through everything you want. I certainly do. I don't hide that fact. I want Amy Coney Barrett to tell all the little white lies she has to tell to get on the Supreme Court, and then I want her to walk into the Supreme Court, and I want her to take a battle axe to liberalism for the next 30 years of her life. That's what I want. And the leftists do this too. They all did it with those nut jobs Obama was appointing. Well, I just want to properly interpret the Constitution. I'm certainly not on the left or the right. Oh, yes, you are. But I understand I'm a little different. These are lies people, they want to tell themselves. These are lies people need to hear. People love hearing that stuff. Amy Coney Barrett, by all accounts, is extremely pro-life. And Amy Coney Barrett, if given the opportunity, probably going to vote very pro-life when it comes to the Supreme Court. But she has to say that stuff. That was not an indictment on her. I was not trying to insult her. I'm just saying, I get the game. I just want to properly interpret things. Oh, we know where you stand. We know where you stand. Hey, thanks so much for watching the first on YouTube. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and like and subscribe. You heard me. Like it, subscribe. You'll get a lot more of it and a lot more of me.